Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add a border around a table in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show add border around table. Now going to the firstly insert from table. Now going to the insert menu option. Then click. Now click for insert option. Now select from row and columns. Then you can say insert from table. Now select from table. Now resize from table. Now going to the line color option, then click for select from black color, then click for weight option, then click for 450. Now going to the border menu option, then click. Now click for outside border, that is now select. Then I show add border around table in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.